Hello fellow linguists, hope you all are doing well. My name is Shreya and you all are watching Language Fluent. We at Language Fluent teach foreign languages for job, migration purposes, etc. We also provide a job-oriented course for the duration of 2 years. For more information regarding that course, you all can call on the numbers mentioned below or download the application form provided below. So today we are going to study the months and the season, that is the Monate, the months and the Jahreszeiten, that is the seasons. Heute lernen wir die Monate und die Jahreszeiten. So first we learn the Monate and then later in the video we learn the seasons, that is the Jahreszeiten. So fangen wir an. Let's start. So January becomes Januar. Januar. February becomes Februar. Februar. March becomes März. März. April becomes April. April. May becomes Mai. Mai. June becomes Juni. Juni. And July becomes Juli. Juli. So, Januar, Februar, März, April, Mai, Juni, Juli. August becomes August. August. September becomes September. September. October becomes October. Instead of C, the spelling takes K. October. November becomes November. November. And lastly, December becomes December. December. Again, instead of the C, the spelling in German, it takes Z. December. So now let's revise the whole thing once again. Januar, Februar, März, April, Mai, Juni, Juli, August, September, October, November, December. So these were the months, the Monate. Now let's look at the Jahreszeiten, that is the seasons. Now let's look at the seasons, that is the Jahreszeiten. So in Germany there are 4 main seasons: summer, winter, autumn and spring. So let's begin with summer. So summer becomes der Sommer. Then Sommer. So summer begins in the month of June and it lasts till August. So Juni, Juli und August. Then Sommer. Next we have autumn. So autumn becomes der Herbst. Der Herbst. Herbst. So autumn begins in September and it lasts till November. So September, October and November. Then we have winter. So winter in German remains the same. It is winter. So der Winter. Dezember, Januar und Februar. So for 3 months, that is December, January and February. And lastly, we have spring, which becomes der Frühling. Der Frühling. So spring begins in the month of March and it is till May. So März, April und Mai. Der Frühling. Let's revise it once again. Der Sommer, summer. Der Herbst, autumn. Der Winter, winter. Und der Frühling, spring. So these were the seasons, and Juni, Juli, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May. These were the months. Hope you all enjoyed today's lecture. For more such content, please click on the bell icon on a YouTube app to never miss out on any update by Language Fluent. Also, to register for the complete course, you can fill the application form provided in the description box. Also, you all can call on the numbers mentioned below. We at Language Fluent also have translation and interpretation services. Also, please share, subscribe and like the video. See you all next time. Bye. Cheers.